Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Long time no speak. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. I hope you all enjoyed all the prompts that I have flooded you all with in the past couple months, I say. But I am back to show you all how to edit coloring book pages that you create, specifically from Creative Fabrica. It's not hard. I've already done a video once before showing you how to remove color from vector images that you have. It's basically the same thing. It's not hard at all. So I'm going to get started. And I'm just going to use an image that I did create with the AI tool on Creative Fabrica called Creative Spark. I'm going to make this my whole page, send it to the background. And this is an 8.5 by 11 page. I'm going to blow it up a little bit so you all can see what's going on. But I'm simply going to click on this image and we're going to go to edit image. Now I want you all to pay close attention to her neck area because you'll be able to see it, the difference in this area really well. All you do is go down until you're at the photographic section. And we're going to click on see all. And then we're going to scroll down till you get to the section that says mono. And we're going to click on this first box that says classic. Now watch under her chin. You see it's a lot of gray in there. And that gray has disappeared. And that's basically all I do. Like I said, it's not hard at all. You can take it a step further if you want to, though. After you've done that, you click apply. Now I do have Canva Pro, but all of these steps can be done freely, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you want to take out a little bit more of the grayness that appears in these coloring pages when you use the prompt that I have given you before, simply go to the adjust section and move over your contrast bar until the picture looks the way you want to. Now if you go all the way over, it's going to really make it look like a coloring page. You can leave it like that. I tend to pull it up a little bit, but not much because my customers are into grayscale, so I like to leave a little of the gray in the image just because they prefer it. But you can go all the way up. Sometimes it's not going to do what you want it to do, so you just have to go on to the next image. But that's basically it, you guys. Just wanted to show you all that, and I hope you all got something from this video. Please subscribe, like the video, and until next time, be blessed.